On March 5, 2024, officers with the Harris County Sheriff's Office managed to get behind and identify a stolen vehicle. I'll give you some inside info early. The driver is dating the passenger's daughter. Yes, that's right. This guy is driving around with his girlfriend's dad in a stolen vehicle, and then he runs.
Bandit Bell running. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What's going on, bro? What's happening?
Got the passenger detained.
What's happening?
Hispanic male, black shirt, red shorts ran. Just the rest of my direction to the bayou.
What's going on? Hey, bro, what's going on?
That's clear. On detain 1632.
What happened?
Why'd you run? I told you hit the floor.
No, bro, I don't know.
24 Edward 24, put me on this call.
I don't know what's going on.
What's your homeboy's name?
Huh?
What's your homeboy's name?
My David is here.
No, you don't.
Yes, David.
Where'd you live at?
He?
Yeah.
He lives over here by Highway 6 and what's it called? By Rancho Market.
433, we got air support.
For monitoring.
I live right here, right around the corner.
Why'd you get up whenever I told you hit the floor?
Huh?
You started jogging, but you were too slow.
I don't know, like, bro, I don't know what's going on.
Run the C5 contract.
I don't know what's
Get up.
I don't know what's going on, bro.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't, bro. I swear. What's going on?
Then why'd you run?
You can
I'm scared, bro. I don't know.
Huh?
What's happening? Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know.
150, please.
Direction, I'm here at the bayou.
I don't know nothing.
Get inside.
I'm sorry, bro. I stay right here under the car. You can take me to my house. There's just some corner to say, bro. I'm not going to the store. That's it. What's happening?
Come on, bro.
What's going on, bro? Can you take me to my house, bro?
No.
Why?
You shouldn't have got up and ran.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Bro, you walk over here.
Meanwhile, in a neighborhood not so far away, a nice doggy sniffs around for something yummy to bite.
Watch my leash, watch my leash. Watch the dog. Sheriff's Office K-9, if you're in that shed, you better come out. The dog's coming in.
Spoiler alert, he's in the shed. Go get him, doggy.
Kick the door. Look out. Sheriff's Office K-9, come out now. You're gonna get bit. Let him work it out. Here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ow! Ow! Hey, I give up! I give up, sir! I give up!
Come
sir.
out! Come out!
I give up!
Let go of my dog!
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Let go of my fucking dog!
Ow, sir! I give up! Ow!
Get out!
Ow! 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 Sir, I give up! Get him, please! Please! I'll let you get me! Just let... Ow! 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 Put the hand back in there! Put the hand back in there! Ow! 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 Sir, what the fuck did I do to you? What the fuck? Ow! I don't got nothing on me. What the fuck did I do to y'all? What the fuck did I do to y'all? What the fuck did I do to y'all? I did nothing.
Come on, come on.
I did nothing. Ow!
Watch out for the loop.
While Dog Chew here gets some medical attention, let's check back in on our clueless father. Maybe he's figured out what's going on. Or maybe I'm being ironic.
Set up a perimeter for boy 33.
You have the right to remain silent
For what?
and not make any statement at all. Any statement you make may be used against you at your trial.
For what, sir?
You understand?
No, I don't understand, bro.
Okay.
Like, what's
I'm gonna read it to you again.
No, yeah, but I don't understand that. Why you lock me up?
You have the right to remain silent.
Tell me the reason why you lock me up.
Okay, if you want to talk, I need to read you your rights.
Oh, okay, but...
You have the right to remain silent and not make any statement at all. Any statement you make may be used against you at your trial. You understand?
Yeah, but I mean,
Okay.
I don't know what I'm
Any statement you make may be used as evidence against you in court. Do you understand?
in court for what? What?
Look, if you want to talk, I need you to read
Okay,
you
bro.
these.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Any statement you make, baby, you like to talk to me.
Yes, sir. Like,
Okay.
Okay, what's going on?
Why did you get up and walk away
Oh,
after I told you hit the floor?
Because, bro, I was scared. I didn't know what's going on.
Did
bro.
I tell you to move?
Not that I know.
No. Okay, I said stay on the floor. Is what I
but
said,
you
and you
wouldn't-
still got up and left.
I didn't let, bro. I just.
You got up and ran that way.
I was right here, sir.
No, I
detained
detained you. I detained you right there.
Sir, I promise.
Why'd you
I
get up and walk away?
I know you can get away from police. You know that, bro. I promise, I swear to God, bro.
Why'd you get up and walk away that way
I
then?
just walk away. I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, you just everything.
Did I
happened so fast.
say? Did I say you could leave?
Huh?
Did I say you could
Yeah, but
leave?
honey, Leo, I'm right here, bro.
I did not say you can walk away from the car. I told you.
You just
I
wait.
told
you
you.
used to call for sir, so I don't know.
44, boy 32.
But like, what's going on,
Just
sir? Like,
outside.
I got my family here, bro. I was just chill.
What's
I
your
was just
name?
jumping on the trampoline with my daughter right now, bro.
Hold on.
I live right here around the corner.
Man, you're probably not gonna go to jail. Stop crying. Okay? Stop crying. Okay?
I'm been worried about my wife. I didn't know what's going on.
I know. You look. You're probably not gonna go to jail. Okay? I can't promise you anything. But I don't think so because you helped me out.
Yeah, I'm doing
Okay.
nothing, bro. I tell you, I'll be honest.
Okay? So just hang tight. Okay?
Well, he seems to be handling things okay. I wonder what's going on at the other scene. I'm sure things have calmed down by this point.
Fuck.
Hey, partner. What's your last name?
Claudius Cruz, bro. I did nothing to you.
What's your last name?
Pain, sir.
What's your last name?
Claudius Cruz, please.
Cruz?
Yes, sir. I got two last names. Claudius Cruz.
Carlos Cruz?
Claudius, C-L-A-R-O-S.
C-L-A-R-O-S.
Yes, sir. Cruz.
Is that a hyphenated last name?
Then I got Cruz. Levis is my first name.
So spell your first name.
L-E-V-I-S. Sir, I'm in pain, sir. I can't.
Well, I'm not a doctor. They're coming,
I can't
okay?
in vain with you. Why did y'all do this shit to me? Why y'all had to punch on me too?
Carlos Cruz? Because I
Yes,
told you to
sir.
let go of my dog. You don't ever touch my dog.
I'm so sorry. It's because he bit me and I couldn't.
Well, you know what? That's what he's supposed to
It hurt
do.
so much I couldn't. I'm
Why
so
didn't you come out when I told you to?
Because I was scared, to be honest.
Because you're stupid.
officer.
I get it. I
Yes, sir,
understand.
I'm
Everybody's stupid at one time in their life. I get it. What's your date of birth?
Oh, sir, this shit hurts, bro.
It's supposed to hurt. That's why the dog
It
bites.
hurts. I did nothing to y'all, man.
Well, actually, you were told to come out and you didn't.
I had no reason to come
So
out.
is that right? You spell your last name C-L-A-R-O-L?
Yes, sir.
Dash or hyphen Cruz?
Claudius Cruz. Sir,
Is
I'm
it a
in pain.
hyphenated last name? Yes or no?
No, it's Levis Claudius Cruz. I got two last names. I don't know what
So
that
Clarence
means.
Cruz?
Yes, sir.
And your first name is Levis?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where all did you get bit? In the leg?
And my arms. I'm so fucked in my arms, too. I can't feel my left arm.
Well, you know that happens when you don't do
Sir,
anything smart.
I'm sorry about that.
Well, I am too. I gave you every opportunity. I said it on the PA. I gave you announcements at the
This
door.
shit hurts.
I gave you He even kicked the door in and we said, come out.
I didn't need to come out. I did
Actually,
nothing
you did
wrong.
need to come out. So that's
I did
just the way it
nothing
works.
wrong.
All right, well, hang tight. Where else he get you? You said what, in the left
My
leg,
legs
left
and my
thigh?
left arm, sir.
Left thigh?
Look at this. Look at this.
Well, that's
This
what he's
shit
supposed to
hurts.
do.
My arm hurts. I can't.
Okay, which one?
On this left arm, please. I don't know how it looks. I can't feel it.
Okay, on your left forearm?
I can't feel it, sir.
What about your right one?
I don't know. I'm in so much pain from my left arm and my left
So do you
leg.
have anything else?
No, sir. I don't know. I can't
Okay.
check. Y'all just
All
instantly
right.
started
Hang
punching
tight.
on me.
EMS is coming. Just relax. They're going to help you out.
20-year-old Levis Claros Cruz was arrested on one misdemeanor case of unlawfully carrying a weapon, one misdemeanor case of evading arrest, and one felony case of unauthorized use of a vehicle. As part of a plea deal, the unlawfully carry charge was dismissed, and he got 150 days in Harris County Jail. Oh, and a trip to the hospital for the dog bites. His girlfriend's dad had much better luck. Here, see for yourself.
Okay, man. Like I told you, you're not going to go to jail today, okay? Stand right here on the sidewalk.
God bless you, bro. I can't be without my family.
Your buddy over there got bit by a dog, so he's going to the hospital.
Hey, man, what the fuck is my dog?
Your dog.
Damn.
Now I'm messing with you. Our dog.
Oh, okay, I was like, what?
Our dog bit him.
Yeah, but I told you, bro, like, I was on,
I appreciate your honesty, man.
I knew he was gonna run over here. So I was like, nah, and my daughter.
Walk forward. Stop.
Right?
Yeah. No, I appreciate your honesty, man. That's the main reason why you're not going to jail, okay?
No, thank you, God. I'm always gonna be honest, though. Like I said, my family wanted for anything. And I appreciate you, letting me go away.
No, I'm a man of my word. I'm not gonna, you know.
You know, I stay right here. Cool. I'll be, okay. I'll give you a hand.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.